Hey guys. Welcome to Shopping Tube channel. Are you looking robot vacuum cleaner? In this video, I will show you top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner for hardwood floors to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Eureka Groove Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The robot's slim design allows it to get to hard-to-reach areas under furniture, and its specially designed groove gear wheels help it easily transition up to 0.8 inch from hard floor to carpet and move between rooms. 2000 pascals of suction power and a high-efficiency filter help tackle dust, dirt, pet hair and crumbs on both hard floor and low-pile carpets. 3 cleaning modes: auto mode for a whole home clean, edge mode for corners and under kitchen counters, and spot mode for entryways and around litter boxes for a concentrated clean. 4 ways to control: use the Eureka app to schedule and control the robotic vacuum cleaner from anywhere, or use Alexa and Google Assistant voice control. If you prefer offline, simply use the remote or manual control with the on-unit button. Anti-scratch brush roll, specially designed to protect your hard floors yet also clean carpet using a combination of specially angled soft bristle brushes and flexible rubber blades. Excellent climbing ability. The groove gear climbing wheels make an easy transition from hard floor to carpet and over door thresholds. The transparent brush roll lid and one-touch dust cup removal button conveniently located on the top of the robot allows for quick access and cleanup. Number 4. Neato Robot Vacuum for Pet Hair. Eureka Air 300 Groove Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Neato Robotics D6 Connected Laser-Guided Robot Vacuum for Pet Hair. Round robots can't reach corners, and corners are where the worst dirt hides. Our industry-leading design gets you a complete floor clean. D6 Laser Smart Mapping Technology intelligently navigates and maps your home, cleaning in straight lines instead of a random pattern so you never miss a spot. Neato D6 conquers any surface, from carpet, to hardwood, to kitchen tile. Intuitive operation and interface, Neato is simple to use. Our focus has always been on out-of-the-box, one button, perfect cleaning. Clear winner and pet hair, capture more pet hair, dirt, and allergens with an improved core brush. Number 3. Trifo Robot Vacuum with 1080p Night Vision. Trifo LuciP Robot Vacuum with dual cameras, 1080p Night Vision. Day and Night Vision. Robot Vacuum have 1080p HDR color and depth cameras. The clarity of the night vision provides a super sharp image, allowing you to keep an eye out for potential threats. When not staying at home, you can turn on the video function by Robot Vacuum app to monitor the status of pets. Using the Trifo Home app to connect with other family members, pets, even intruders via video connections and talk with them. Multi-floor mapping. In the app, you can view the detailed indoor maps automatically generated by Robot Vacuum, schedule cleaning and set no-go zones to customize your personal cleaning. Start cleanings, change modes or link with Alexa. 4000 pascals strong suction. The Robot Vacuum Cleaner has 33% more suction power, efficiently cleans dirt and wipe stains, and deep cleans floors and medium carpets. With a large 600 ml dustbin and washable main filter, families are ready to tackle any mess. The cleaning force of the robotic vacuum cleaner can be adjusted by app. Powered by 5200 mAh lithium batteries, which helps vacuum robot clean up to 2152 square feet, up to 120 minutes of running time, and only need 5 to 6 hours to full charge. When the battery is low, the vacuum robot will automatically return to the charging base. Super Sensing. Lucy is a smart home monitoring robot that can clean while patrolling. With IV technology identifies, our robot vacuum cleaner can identify people, furniture, and even objects under 1 inch, while others' robot vacuum cannot recognize obstacles smaller than 4 inch. thus avoiding collisions and providing you with uninterrupted cleaning services. Number 2. Shark IQ Robot Vacuum. Shark AV1010 AIQ Robot Vacuum with XL Self-Empty Base. Forget about vacuuming for up to 45 days, a bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris. Faster mapping speed for a quicker total home map. Better carpet cleaning, improved carpet cleaning performance. Multi-surface cleaning, multi-surface brush roll pulls in all kinds of dirt and debris from carpets and floors. Phone or voice command, schedule whole home cleaning or target specific rooms or areas to clean right now with the Shark Clean app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Powerful suction, deep cleaning power to take on large debris, small debris, and pet hair on carpets and floors. Row by row cleaning, methodically cleans row by row and then navigates room to room for complete home coverage. Total home mapping plus room select, maps your home and lets you choose which rooms to clean immediately. Perfect for homes with pets. Designed for homes with pets, this automatic vacuum features a self-empty base, a multi-surface brush roll, and captures dust, dander, and pet hair. Number 1. LG Deep Cleaning of Traditional Vacuum. LG R975 GM hands-free convenience you want from a robot vacuum, with powerful suction and deep cleaning you'd expect from a traditional vacuum. Removable and washable filters, easily remove dirt buildup with water to maintain airflow and help keep the vacuum running at its best. Information is gathered via 3D dual-eye technology using a front-mounted camera and 3D laser sensor to accurately map each room, detect objects and avoid collisions. Anti-tangle design helps reduces hair and bristle while edge and corner cleaning technology delivers increased suction in nooks and crannies. Fast emptying with less mess, convenient dustbin removes for easy emptying with the press of a button. Take control however you like. Download the ThinkU smartphone app for complete control of your robot vacuum from anywhere, at any time. Start or stop the vacuum remotely, clean specific rooms and even view live images. The brains behind the clean, built-in intelligence analyzes and remembers details of your space for more efficient, effective cleaning.